is Abdullah from Easy Tech. We have another video to review some products from Amazon. So today we have a wireless charger, an adapter, and Apple Watch stand. So I like the white color, so let's go. As you see now, we have this product. This almost $15. So you put your Apple Watch here to like a cable and plug in the charger, and you put your Apple Watch, and here you can put your phone, your tablets, whatever, like this. You can put whatever you want, and the color white, I like the white color. So if you can see from here, it's not bulky, but it's good. You will like it. Okay, so for this, if you like a Apple fanboy like me, you'll love it. The second thing, this product is Apple for iPhone, for Samsung, for whatever wireless charger, and charge like very fast. This is the product, the box. This is the outputs of this is the maximum is 10 watts. It's almost $18, and it's come with the USB-C. Okay, the cable. So USB-C, try to charge something wireless. This will be like lights, like a white light. And when you put your phone, because I make a record with my phone is iPhone 8 Plus. This will be light like almost 10 seconds. After that, the light will turn it off automatically. So it is a matte white. I like the color. You will love it. I'll put the link in the description. And we have another product from Anker. It's charging 40 watts. As you see, and has 4 inputs. You will love it. I like it. I like that product. Like most of the cases from Anker, all the products good. So I have adapters, speakers, everything from Anker. I love it. Okay, so we done from this and this, and we have this product. It's awesome, but the problem is expensive. It's almost $70. This like a portrait. You put your picture, and at the same time is Q charger. You put your phone here, and you can charge easy, and charge very good. So when you put this, the Anker 40 watts with that, the charge will be very fast. I will show you how. So this is the frame. This is the glass here. And this picture is like a double picture. And this is the Q charger, and the cable is the same thing, USB-C. So I'll put the cable from inside. As you can see now, after that, you see there's like a couch here, and you close it. And you can put any picture you want, you know. And this stands. It will be like that. You will love it. I'm very sure. Okay. It's coming with a very, very nice box. It's nice presentation, by the way. This is some paperwork. I don't know what's this. And the company's name is South. Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, and in the end, we have unboxed for this product. This is almost $67. This is take from USB-C to mini outputs. It was coming like that. So from here is the HDMI and 3 inputs USB and 1 inputs USB-C and 1 Ethernet, and here is SIM cards, 1 small and 1 big, and that's it. Okay, thank you guys for watching.